In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in an image using Canva. It's a quick and easy tutorial that will guide you through this process step by step. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. If you haven't already done so, head over to Canva's website and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your starting point for all the creative magic. Now, focus your attention on the search bar within the editor. Hover down below it, and you'll notice an Upload button. This is where you'll start the process of bringing your image into Canva. Go ahead and click on the Upload Files option. Here, you'll be prompted to select the file that you wish to edit. Make sure you choose an image that contains the text you're looking to modify. After your image is uploaded, you're ready to dive into the fun part. Locate your image on the Canva workspace and click on it. You'll see an option appear that says Edit Image. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a number of tools that Canva offers for image editing. One of these tools is the Magic Studio, which you will find on the left side of the editor. This is a powerful feature and one that you will definitely want to utilize. Within Magic Studio, look for the Grab Text option. This is a nifty tool that lets you extract text from any uploaded image. By clicking on Open as Design, you unlock the ability to not just view, but manipulate the text on your image. You can choose to grab specific text either by clicking on a particular area or selecting all text at once. If you choose the former, you can focus on editing only the highlighted part. Once you've highlighted the section you want to alter, proceed by clicking on Grab. This will allow Canva to capture the text so you can make the necessary changes. With the text now on the Canva editor, feel free to click on it, and you will be presented with editing options. Go ahead and make your text changes as needed, whether it be altering the wording, changing the text style, or modifying the font. After you've made your edits, you're almost at the finish line. The next step is to click on Share. This will give you the option to download your newly edited image. When you click on the Download button, you can choose your preferred file type, such as PNG or JPEG. Make your selection, and then hit Download again to save the final product to your device. And there you have it, a straightforward method to edit text in an image using Canva. It's a powerful tool with user-friendly capabilities designed to make your editing tasks a breeze. Happy designing!